Hello friends, in this video we want to discuss about 641 packet tracer implement Etherchannel. As you can see, we have two objectives here, and part 1 and part 2. Part 1, you should build your network and you should read the instruction, and after that create a network in this topology here. First, obtain the devices that are required. Click the network devices icon in the bottom toolbar. Okay, this is network devices here, and click the switches entry in the sub menu. Okay, yes, this is switch. You should click on it, and after that, you should choose switch 2916 here. You can drag and drop here, and you should take 3 and arrange the device into a layout that you can work with by clicking. As you can see, we have 3 switches, switch A, B, C. Okay, and name devices. To give name devices, you should click on here. You can see, click on here, and for example, this should be SWB, and also it should be SWC, and should be SWC, SWA. Yes, we have arranged it. Name devices, click on devices, replace the current display name with the appropriate display name, repeat until devices are named. Okay, this is very easy. In step 3, you should connect the devices. Between all of devices here, 3 devices, you need to have 2 ports, because we want to create and configure Etherchannel. In this situation, for example, from switch A to switch B, you should create a cable here. You should go to cable. This is cable here. And after that, click on, you can see copper straight through. And start from G1, G01. Okay, you can see. And click on this WB and G01 also. And also we have another one. Again, repeat. And between SWA and SWC, you need to have F021 to 21 and F021 or 22 to 22 also. And between SB and SC, you need to have 2030 to 2030, or also 24 to 24. Okay, we have created this topology, and now configure Etherchannel. On each switch, you configure the post that we will need. Okay, first we should start with port channel 1. Port channel 1 is between switch A and switch B, and you should create PAgP Etherchannel. You should go to switch A, and first here, and enable conf-t and interface range gigabit 0, 1 and 2, both of them. And you should write switch port mode trunk for both of them. And also channel group for this one should be channel group 1. Yes. Channel group 1 mode. Mode should be PAgP. What we have for PAgP channel group 1 mode desirable. You cannot. You should come back here and write interface G01 and 2. You cannot set it and configure for two interface at the same time. And in this situation, you should write here channel group 1 mode desirable. Yes. And also same process for G012. And you can see it will be up, and you should save it. And it's WB here. Enable configure terminal and interface range fast range G01 also. You can see here G01 and 2 for two switch. Switch port mode trunk, and channel group should be group 1 and mode should be desirable. This is for PAgP, and same process for interface G02. I don't need to write here arrange. Yes, this is my bad. And switch or mode trunk, and also channel group mode desirable 1. Yes, and we can see to show Etherchannel summary, and you can see you have created and it's worked for you, because SU, it means in use. It's not down. You don't have any D. You cannot see any D here. It means down. It's SU, and it's also PAgP. Okay, but uh, between switch A and switch C, you need to configure LACP. Okay, in this situation, you should go here and write interface fast Ethernet 021 and a switch for mode trunk. Okay, and channel group should be here. Channel group 2, and mode should be active. Yes. This is LACP, and you can see both sides should negotiate the Etherchannel. It means you should set active here for cover this condition. And also 22, same switch port mode trunk first, and also you should create channel group 2. And what about switch C? And in switch C also, you can see here enable conf T, and right here interface fast Ethernet 021 switch port mode trunk, and channel group should be group 2 mode active, and same process for 22 also, and mode trunk and channel group set. And you can see to show Etherchannel summary, for example here, and also is SU and LACP that we can see here. And what about configure and backup LACP Etherchannel for switch B and switch C? You should go to switch B first here and interface fast Ethernet. This is between 023. First, you should active trunking mode. You know that all of the interface that can participate in Etherchannel should be trunk. You cannot accept and the switch cannot accept access mode for Etherchannel configuration. Okay, and channel group should be channel group 3. Yes, this is here, channel group 3. And mode should be configure port channel 3 as LACP. In this case, SWC initiate negotiation with SWB. SWB does not initiate negotiation of the channel. It means you should write here passive for SWB because SWB does not initiate negotiate of the channel. Yes, but in other side, SWC look at the SWB and show you how to configure it. And trunk, and also channel group should be passive. But here in this situation, SWC, this is again interface fast Ethernet 023 switch port mode trunk, and channel group should be channel group 3 and mode should be active because SWC initiates negotiation with SWB and look at SWB. Okay, and what about this one? 24 trunk, and as you know, mode should be active. And you can see to show Ether channel summary. You can see we have 2 here, port channel 2 and port channel 3. Port channel 2 is LACP, also 3 also LACP, and between 23 and 24 and 21 and 22, and both of them in SU, it means layer 2, working layer 2, and also in use. It's not down. Okay, thank you for watching. It's in the Ether channel configuration and implementation between series switch here, and as you can see here, and as I said, all of the interface should be in trunking mode. It's a rule and should be in at the same VLAN. Also, it's a rule, and yes, and some rules that you can follow in other assignment. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe me and support me.